Alright, here is a video that I'm going to create showing students how to correctly set up a Google slide in the correct size, 11 by 17, how to download an image to their new slide presentation. Alright, so they're going to log into Google Classroom. They're going to open up Google Slides. They're going to create a new presentation. They're going to give it a name. Hilton Neal, or your name. Safety posters. Okay. Alright, this particular assignment, your frame size will be 11 by 17. So what you want to go is File. You want to do the page setup. You want to change it to Custom. You want to change the width to 11 and the height to 17, and you're going to apply. Alright. Now, I don't need that box. I'm going to click on it and hit Delete. Alright. I'm going to duplicate the slide. Okay. Alright. The first assignment is for you, if we are in school, to take photographs of the safety environment within the lab area and the classroom area. You're going to upload photographs, size them, and position them. And I will insert a photograph now. So if you've taken images with either your phone or a camera or a friend's phone, you need to download it to a area in which you can get to it on your computer. So I'm going to go upload from computer. I'm going to go to the area in which I saved it under safety. Okay, and one of the requests is how to properly hold an X-Acto knife. So I'm going to upload. So now this file format's not supported. So I'm going to dismiss that. Insert image. Upload from computer. Alright, it recognized that file format. I highly suggest you save your files as a JPEG. Once you've got it in there, you can size it down to, I believe it's supposed to be 4 columns wide by 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be able to get 4 in there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows there. So 4 columns, 5 rows. Alright, that's how you insert your photographs. Alright, say in the second assignment that you're supposed to do from home, you're only going to take a few photographs. I believe it's 3. So what you want to do is you want to insert, upload from computer. Okay, and I'm just going to select this photograph here. I'm going to resize it. Now this part of the assignment is actually asking you to enter some text. So once you get your photograph positioned on your 11 by 17, and I said either below or to the side of, on this one I'm going to insert text box. And then continue, and you've got your spell check, so fix that. And then you type in the request of the assignment next to your box, next to your photograph. Alright. You can either position it to the side or below. If you're going to do it to the below, I would suggest give it some kind of form. I can get my 3 photographs in here with my text boxes. So this is how you would complete that assignment using Google Classroom Slides.